Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of the Vijeo Designer training. I'm your host, Leandro Mala, and in this video what I'm going to show you is how to use the alarm banner feature that we have in Vijeo Designer. So let's go to the software. Okay, so I'm going to start a new project, alarm, so HMI, alarm banner. Next, I'm going to use this one, doesn't matter. Yeah, next, finish. So what I'm going to do is to check if there is any alarm group already created. By default is only just one. Okay, and here we should be able to add the alarms variables. So as I'm going to do this quickly using internal variables, I'm going to use something like this. Al01. It's going to be a Boolean variable, then C Control B, Al4. Then I should be able to add this into the alarm group. So there are different ways to doing it. You can select over here to define the alarm group, or from here manually select what you want to. Okay. This is one will be like this, and from here enable. Okay, here you can specify a group. In this case, all of them are going to be group 1. So imagine that you have like different groups. Group 2. So I'm going to put these two in the alarm group 2. And if you want a banner, okay, for that one, that have the all, you can create the alarm and event group category. So here it's going to be all alarms. And select these two. Okay. Alarm all. Okay. You can see that you have these two groups in just one. Okay. So what is important now is to define messages. So this is going to be al001. It's going to be low al002 word. On these two, al003 fatal error, and al004 just wrong. Okay, so I have created these two groups just to have something different. Then what we can do here on the target, let's put the trigger for those alarms first. Okay, so I'm going to put like 4 buttons controlling those bits. Okay. We can do something quickly on this. Like this one. Okay. So this is going to be alarm 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now I just need to change the bit variable that I'm going to use to trigger this. As you can see, I'm starting from scratch this project, guys. 3, and I believe I apply this. Yes, and then number 4. Now 4. There we go. Apply. So I have the trigger for my variables. Okay, to trigger the alarms. Now, if you want to use the banner, we have here target, or the name that you have defined for the target, alarms. You just need to activate the alarm banner, and here you just need to select the group. Okay, if you select group 1, it just show the alarm 1 and 2. That's why I have created different groups and then just put it all in one. So I'm going to select all alarms, which is a group, and here I have the possibility to define the position of the alarm banner. So I can do this and put it on the bottom, for example. Here I have the possibility to change the color. Sorry, the font, so it's gonna be this one and 20. Okay, and here I'm going to visualize the alarm banner as long as there is an alarm, otherwise we will stop. The scroll is going to be fast. I want this to go faster in the line. And then you have the possibility to have like a move button to move from bottom, medium, the high position, middle and top. And I'm going to use it. I can show you later how it looks like. Okay, so I got this, and then just simulate what's going on. Okay, so I got this HMI, and imagine that something happened. Okay. Oh, okay. So alarm 01 is there. Alarm 02 is 2. Okay. Now I'm going to delete 01. I'm going to use 3 and 4. As you can see how this thing is scrolling. Okay. And show it again. Okay. Until there is nothing to show. Okay, so this is basically the alarm banner. Just need to know the variables that are going to trigger this, have it all in the alarm group, and then just configure this part. Okay, you can also change the colors. Okay, but yeah, and if you use move button, you should be able to change the position of this. Okay. So as you can see, it's very nice and very nice tool that we just need to define variables, going into the alarm groups, and that's it. It's very easy to use it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.